In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a marbled nail polish mug in less than 10 minutes. Coming up next. Hi everyone, I'm Diette.
And I'm Jasmine.
And welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. What's our project, Jasmine?
Oh, today's project is so wonderful. We're going to be making nail polish marble mugs. And all you need is 4 simple things. A bowl of water, a mug of your choosing, toothpicks, and nail polish.
Let's get crafting.
Yay!
All right, we're ready to begin. You will notice that our bowl is filled with water, and I do have a clear plastic bag over top of my bowl, and this just makes cleanup easy, that once I'm finished making all of my mugs, I can easily clean up and don't have to worry about any fingernail polish onto my bowl. All right, Jasmine has selected all the colors that she wants to use for her marbled mug, and she's now placing the first color onto the water. You will notice that as she's putting the fingernail polish into the water, it is expanding, and the fingernail polish is floating on top of the water. As she adds the next color in, the design is now beginning to form, and you can get a little idea of how this may look on your mug. From here, you can decide what colors you want to use next, where you want to put the color. It's creating a wonderful design on top of that water. Jasmine's going in now with her last color that she selected. And again, she's moving the color around and seeing where she wants to put it. To give this pattern an additional swirl, she's going to use a toothpick. And the toothpick she's going to place inside of the water and gently pull the fingernail polish around just to give it a little swirl and mix the colors up just a little bit. Next, we're ready for our mug to be placed into the water. Holding on to the handle, Jasmine is going to put the mug straight down into the water. And you will see that the fingernail polish is now adhering to the mug. Now friends, some of the fingernail polish did get inside of the mug, but don't worry. With fingernail polish remover, you can easily clean the inside of your mug and any area of the fingernail polish where you don't want it to be. Jasmine wanted her design to be on both sides, so she's flipping it over, and now the handle is being able to get that marbled design as well. Just a beautiful look effect that it's giving. Let's get a close-up look at this mug. Very, very nice. Now, moving on to our next design, you will notice that now we have some of the fingernail polish that is still into our bowl that did not get onto the mug. With a toothpick, you're able to swirl it around, and now any of the fingernail polish that remains in the water, you're able to easily clean it up. Friends, if you like this tutorial today, please remember to thumbs up this video. And for more crafting tutorials, please click on the box to the side. Happy crafting, everyone, and we will see you in the very next video. Bye!